Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you today to let you guys know I'm done with those slipper socks. So let's talk about it. Okay, you guys. So let me show you the finished product first. Okay, there we go. How pretty, huh? Let me get the other one. Here they are. Here it is right here. Okay, so as I was making these, you guys, I really had a good time working these up. The only thing that I would do different is I would make a bigger size. I made the small size and I would make a bigger size so my feet can fit in here. It do fit in here, but I gotta like struggle a little bit. But yeah, I had them on wearing them already. But another thing I wanted to say was for spring or summer, this is a perfect sock. You see how big these holes are? Totally, you can wear these. When I put them on without anything on my feet, you know, to go within these, I felt the air coming in here. And they asked for an 8mm hook size, so that's why they're so big. When I do make them again, which I am, I will be using a smaller hook to tighten it up, to tighten up the stitches when I make it. But other than that, you guys, I had so much fun making it, and it's the coolest thing how it's put together, how they have where you can put it together. Because I'm trying to tell you guys, I usually run away from slipper, anything that got a heel. But the way they did this pattern, it was just super cool, you guys. Let me see if you can see that. It's just the gray was longer, and it was really I was really satisfying, and I felt successful doing this slipper sock, because in the past when I would do a sock or anything like that, I always have a problem with the heel. And when I saw this and when I had read over and over, remember, read our patterns, highlight them. But when I actually did it and everything, I was I felt so successful when I did it, because I was able to do this part right here. And this part right here, you guys, this is fun. The little crisscross. I didn't want the pom-poms, you guys. Sorry. But if that's what you want, you can do that. But I actually didn't want the pom-poms on mine, so I just did those right here. Okay. So here they are. And I wanted to share some other things with you guys. Okay, and so in the pattern, they had half double crochet decrease. Now, I know for my beginners out there, I don't know if you guys know how to do that, but I would love to show you. So let me show you right now. Let me get my my stuff, my hook and all my good stuff, which is right here. I have it right here. And what they did was to decrease, and decrease is shrinking, is just shrinking it down. And that's how they did this part right here and up here on this part up here. So they had you half double crochet, decrease. And reason why they did half double crochet, because this is what this is worked in. Half double crochet. This is worked in single crochets right here. So let's get right into the half double crochet decrease. Okay, so I've already did a swatch right here. Can you guys see that? Okay, so I'm gonna go and turn it around. I'm gonna turn it. So now let's do the half double crochet decrease. So we're going to yarn over, and we're going to put our hook into the loop, and we're going to bring up a loop. So we got 3 on our hook. Now we're going to go into the next loop right next to it, we're going to go in there. You see that? And we're going to yarn over and we're going to bring up a loop, right? So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to yarn over and we're going to take it all the way through. And what that does is it take the 2 and make it 1. And that's how you decrease. Have a double crochet decrease. Yay! Let's do it again. We're going to yarn over. We're going to stick our hook inside into the loop. I'm sorry. I keep saying loop. Into the chain, you guys. So into the chain, you're going to yarn over. You're going to pull up a loop. Right? So you got 3. Then we go to the next chain. And we yarn over. And we stick it into the chain. Yarn over. Bring up the loop. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want to yarn over and want to take it all the way through. And could you guys see, let me just show you this right here. Can you see this thing decreasing? And this is what a decrease is. See, it's decreasing. I hope you guys practice that and I hope you guys get that because that is awesome. And I got something else to share with you guys as well. I wanted to bring out this book because there are so many people, especially my beginners, I'm always beginner eyes, but my beginners, you can always read or have a reference book or anything like that. And you know what? A lot of people don't choose this, Crochet for Dummies. And I taught my daughter when she was 9 years old how to crochet. And this is such a good reference guide. If you do not know, how to do something, or if you just want to read it and you want, the way they have it, it really, really helps you. And you can use it as a reference guide as well. Like in the pattern, when I had half double crochet, you didn't know what that was. You could have looked it up in your reference book and find out what it is. Right? So I wanted to put that out there for you guys. Even if you're not a beginner, and a reference guide. Here you are, I've used this several times, and especially my daughter, she's 21 right now, and she's very successful in some of her projects. I say some because she doesn't crochet all the time, but I'm sure as she get older, she will. But I just think this is a really, really good reference guide to have. Okay. And you guys, oh my word, our next project. Okay. And let me get it. But I wanted to tell you guys first, I did open it. I just took it out of the package. Not out of the main package, but out of the package it came in. So here we go. Let's do it. Let me get it. You guys ready? Oh my word, you guys! Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? I love it, you guys. I absolutely love it. And you know what? I can't wait. You guys see that? That's just beautiful. I can't wait to work it up for you guys so we can talk about it, right? So, and I have one more surprise for you guys. If you guys want to work up these socks, slipper socks, guess what? All you have to do is go to my blog, creationsps91.com, and download it. It is a free download for you guys. You can download it, and when you download it, work it up. Let's talk about it. I am on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Let's talk about it. So in your ups, your downs, in the pattern, things you don't understand, things you do, you change, if you want to change this or, however, you want to create the slipper sock. I would love to know, how you guys do it. And, that's it for me, you guys. I wanted to come on, I wanted to share, and I hope everything that I said was useful for you guys. And in your day today, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And remember, you guys, when you are working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. Bye, you guys. I will see you on the next video.